Introduction to Human Anatomy, Definition and Branches of Anatomy. Define anatomy. Human anatomy is the study of structure of different parts of human body, and the interrelation of its various constituents that form these parts. What is the word anatomy? The word anatomy is a Greek term. It consists of two words. Ana means excessive or again. Tomy means cutting. It was given this name because its knowledge was gained through cutting up of animals' and humans' bodies. Branches of anatomy. There are four main branches of anatomy: gross anatomy, histology, embryology, neuroanatomy, gross anatomy. This branch of anatomy deals with the study of structures of human body that can be seen only with naked eye. That is why it is also called macroscopic anatomy. Histology. This branch of anatomy deals with the study of structures of human body that can be seen only with the help of a microscope. That is why it is also called microscopic anatomy. Embryology. This branch of anatomy deals with the study of formation of human body, from cell to embryo to fetus to baby. It studies development of human till birth. That is why it is also called developmental anatomy. Neuroanatomy. This branch of anatomy deals with the study of structure and organization of the nervous system in the human body. It also deals with the pathways and functions of different structures of nervous system. That is why it is called neuroanatomy.